Hello friends, welcome to Aeshi's Hastkala. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful parrot keychain. You can see here I made lots of them, and I try to make different styles. Today I am going to show you this type of parrot keychain. Okay, and for this we need three different colors, googly eyes, some crochet hook and scissors. Okay, and I'm going to use for these three types of yarn color. Here you can see. Then we need some acrylic, some glue to stick the eyes, ring to make the keychain, and a pair of scissors. And for this project I am going to use crochet hook 2.5. okay, and of course we need needle also. One more thing friends, we need googly eyes, okay, and stitch marker. Here I'm going to use a piece of yarn as a stitch marker. Okay, now let's start. So friends, first of all we need to make a magic circle. Okay, so wrap yarn over your finger twice and then grab the yarn and just secure this circle with a chain here. Okay, so we secured our circle. Now we need to make 6 single crochet in this magic circle or magic ring. Okay, no yarn over, just okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now just close this circle, grab this tail and close it nicely. Okay, now for next row 2, we are going to increase, so just insert your hook in very first single crochet here. Oops, what's wrong with it? Nothing, let me do it one more. Okay, and here, and do 2 single crochet. This is the first one, and now this is the second one. Okay, don't forget to put the marker. So here, and then now do 2 single crochet in each stitch till the end. So at the end we have total of 12 single crochet. 1, 2, another one, 1, and 2. Repeat this till the end of row 2. Row 3, we need to make 1 single crochet in very first stitch and put our marker. Then in the next we are going to increase. So 1, now in next we have to do 2 single crochet, that is increase 2. Okay, so repeat this, 1 in next and 2 in next. Okay, so repeat this till the end of row 3. 1, next and next 2 single crochet. Okay, so at the end of row 3 we have total of 18 single crochet. So friends, at the end of row 3 don't complete this single crochet. Okay, just leave 2 yarns leave 2 loops on your hook, and then we are going to grab our next color. Okay, and just close this single crochet, and now we are going to start our row 4. Okay friends, and don't cut this yarn, because we are going to need, after 2 rows we are going to need this body color yarn. Okay, now we are going to make 1 single crochet with this dark color or color B. Okay, 1 single crochet, next 8 stitches. So 1 single crochet in each of next 8 stitches. This second and third, 4, 5, 6. Oops, it's not proper. Let me complete it. 6, then 7, and one more 8. While we are going to make this 8 single crochet, again don't complete it, just leave the color B and grab that original body color and complete it. Okay, like this. Now we are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the other stitches till the end of row 4. 1 single crochet in each stitch till the end. One more thing friends, when we are completing our row 4 with this body color, okay, that time just take this color, dark color, with this our stitches like this. So because after completing this row 4, when we start our row 5, we need this color that time. So don't even cut, just use this with the stitches, look like this. Okay, and finish this row, and at the end again don't complete the last single crochet, and complete it with using this dark color. So friends, I am at the end of row 4. Here you can see I don't complete this last stitch single crochet. I just leave this yarn, and I just grab the dark color yarn and complete this single crochet. Now same thing for row 5. We are going to do 1 single crochet up to 8 stitch with this color, dark color or color B. Okay, so this is 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and during this last stage again same thing, don't complete it, just use the other body color and complete it. Okay, and after that you can cut this dark color, this color B, because now we don't need it. Here you can see we want this for 2 rows only. Now for other rows we just want this body color. Okay, here friends, one more thing you can see here, which I mentioned before, that we have to take both yarn with us with our stitches. Here I just forget to take this with my stitches here. So what happened, now I have to cut this yarn and I have to use it here again, or I have to open the stitches and again I have to take the yarn with the stitches. So I'm going to do that here. Okay, now don't forget, don't make these mistakes. That's what I want to tell you. Okay, now make again your stitches, one single crochet in each 8 stitches. Okay, and after finishing all the stitches, the same thing, just leave this yarn and use the body color yarn and finish that 8th stitch, and now complete this row doing one single crochet in each stitch. Okay, now we don't need this yarn. If you want to cut, you can cut. I'm just going to use this for next 2-3 stitches, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay friends, now for next 2 rows we are going to do one single crochet in each stitch using, now we are going to use our main color, body color. And yes, one more thing, don't forget to use your marker. And for next 2 rows, just we are going to do one single crochet in each stitch for row 6 and 7. Now for row 8, we are going to do one single crochet in next 2 stitches, and of course don't forget to put your marker. So for this row we are going to do one single crochet in next 2 stitches. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. Now for next 6 stitches we are going to increase. That means we are going to do, because we are going to make this part, the stomach part of this bird. Okay, so for that we are going to increase. So for next 6, so total of 12 stitches or 12 single crochet. So this is 2, then 3 and 4 in 1, 5 and 6, then 7 and 8 in same stitch, 9 and 10 same stitch, then 11 and 12. Okay, so we finished our increase. Here you can see it takes a shape of the body, right? Okay, now for next 10 stitches we are going to do one single crochet. Okay, one single crochet in next all stitches, and then we finished our row 8. Then we are going to start our next row. Okay friends, now for next row, this is row 9. Now from row 9 to row 13 we are going to do one single crochet in each and every stitch. Okay, and yes, don't forget marker. So from row 9 to my marker, Okay, from row 9 to 13, just do one single crochet in each and every stitch, and I'll meet you after completing my row 9 to 13. So after 13 row, I'll show you what to next. Okay, so friends, after row 13, this looks like this here. Okay, and now before move ahead, we are going to stick our eyes here like this at the end of this line here. Okay, so just take your googly eyes and take your glue and just attach it on that side. Yeah, you can see. If friends you are not comfortable with this, with means if you don't want to attach your eyes now, just finish your body of your bird, and then you can stick it. It's okay, no problem. Okay, you can see it looks perfect. Now let us move ahead. So friends, row 14, we are going to do one single crochet next 2 stitch. Okay, one, and this is the second one. 2 single crochet, that is means one single crochet in each next 2 stitch. Now for next 6 stitches we are going to decrease. So like this, insert your hook in next stitch, then again insert your hook in the next stitch, okay, in the front loop, and then grab the yarn from both the loops and then just do single crochet like this. So this is our decreasing stitch. Okay, here insert your hook in front loop of next stitch, then again insert your hook in the next stitch front loop, and then grab this yarn from both the loops and then do a single crochet. So this is our decrease. Now we are going to do, this is second decrease, now we are going to do third decrease. Okay, this is third, then 4, yes, 4, then 5, and one more, this one is 6. Okay, now friends, we have to do one single crochet in next remaining stitch. Okay, so just do one single crochet in next remaining stitches till the end of row 14. So friends, now for row 15, just do one single crochet in each next 3 stitches. Next 3 stitch, one single crochet, then again we are going to decrease. Next 6 stitch we are going to decrease, and then again left stitches we are going to do one single crochet. So this is first, second and third. Now we are going to decrease our stitch up to next 6 stitches. Okay, so this is 1. So friends, after doing decreasing stitches in 6 stitch, we are going to do one single crochet in next stitches, that is 3 next stitch. Okay, 1, 2, and this is the last one, 3. Okay, now after finishing this row 15, we have a total of 12 stitches, and after that we are going to fill the acrylic in this. So friends, after row 15, just take your acrylic mold, this, and just fill this in the body, okay, and fill it very properly. Okay, I think little more I need here, and just fill this. So friends, after filling the acrylic, these birds look like this one. Now I think it is perfect. Okay, now we are going to start our row 16, and for row 16 we are going to do one single crochet in next 3 stitches. Don't forget to put marker, otherwise you will lost where you start and where you end. Okay, so this is one single crochet. Now this is the second, okay, and now third one. Now friends, after doing 3 single crochet in 3 stitches, after that we are going to decrease in next 3 stitches. Okay, so like we did before, this is the first decrease, okay, then this is the second one, and then third. Okay, and now friends, do one single crochet in each next 3 stitches left. Okay, then we finish our row 16. So friends, after row 16, this looks like this one, okay, and we have total of 9 single crochet or 9 stitches. Now from row 17 to row 20 we have to do one single crochet in each stitches. Okay, just repeat this from row 17 to 20, one single crochet in each and every stitch, so that is total of 9 single crochet. Okay friends, just finish this and we'll meet you at the end of row 20. So friends, after row 20, this looks like this, and no need to fill this with acrylic wool. Okay, just leave this tail like this only, and now cut little bit long tail. Okay, and then just use your needle, just grab this, okay, and take needle and use your needle and do decreasing in each stitch. Okay, so just remove this, and now we are going to decrease this in normal way. Just insert this in next stitch, and then from inside out, okay, and then just pull like this. Repeat this in all stitches. Okay, when you do decreasing in all stitches, after that just grab this or pull this yarn, and then only you need to insert your needle for to 3 times in different stitches just to secure this tail. Okay, and that's it. This is done. Now we are going to make our wings of the bird. Okay, so let us start to make wings. Friends, for making wings, here in this I just used the same color of yarn, and in this I used a different color, totally different color of yarn. So for this one we are going to use the dark color which we used here. Okay, so we are going to use that color. For that, now do magic circle, then just insert your hook, grab the yarn and secure your magic circle by making chain 1. Okay, so this is secured. Now we are going to make 6 single crochet inside this magic ring. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the last one is 6. Okay, now as usual just close the circle. Now we are going to increase in this round, so we are going to make 2 single crochet in each and every stitches. So this is 6 single crochet. Now at the end of row 2 we have total of 12 single crochet. Here one increase is done. Now second one, and in the same stitch second single crochet. Now in the third same thing, 1, and in the same stitch 2. So total of, we have total of 12 single crochet at the end of row 2. Friend, after row 2, in row 3 we have to just make a slip stitch in very first single crochet. So this is the slip stitch, and now we are going to make 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and now last one is 7. Okay, so now we are going to make 1 single crochet in second chain from the hook. So this is the first one, and now this is the second one. 1 single crochet in each and every stitch now. So 1, 2. After making 6 single crochet in this chain, then just leave 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and insert your hook in the third stitch. Look here, just leave these 2 stitches and insert your hook in the third chain or third stitch, and just do slip stitch there like this. Here you can see almost our wings is ready. Okay, now just cut the yarn. Friends, when you cut the yarn, just leave a little bit long tail, because we want this to stitch the wings on the body. Okay, so don't forget to leave long tail. And now make another wings exactly like this, and then we are going to stitch this on the body. So friends, both wings are ready. Now we have to stitch it on the body of our bird, and there is no rule where we have to put or where it looks proper. Just put both the wings here, just take a trial. Wherever it looks perfect, just stitch it there only. Okay, so I think for my bird this is the perfect perfect measurement. So I am just going to take some pins and put it over there, and then I just stick it. Pins are ready. I have stitched it here, you can see. Now we are going to make a beak of the bird here. Okay, and for that I'm going to use red color yarn and needle. just insert your hook in between this line, anywhere, just here, and then take outside from the other side. Okay, then just first make triangle, and then like this, and then just choose one place here. Let me show you. So friends, just make triangle like this. Now if you want, you just leave it like this, or just fill with the yarn like this inside the triangle, and our beak is done. Now then we are going to make our that bird's legs. Okay, so let me finish this, fill this, and then I will show you how to make legs. So friends, beak is ready. Now we are going to make legs like this. Okay, and I'm just using the same color of yarn, and for that we want the lower part of the body where we start our tail. From there, just we have to insert our needle like this in one side. Okay, then take it in the middle. Here like this. Okay, then again in the same stitch, and then in the slanting like this. Okay, and then again insert it in the same stitch, and then remove your needle on the another side and make other leg like the same way. Okay, like this, you can see. Okay, okay friends, our parrot kitchen is ready. Just beak is ready, legs are ready, and now put this ring over here and it is ready. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet, and don't forget to like my videos also. Friends, if you have any queries about this project or any other project, just don't forget to uh, comment in this description box below. Okay friends, now suggest me or just tell me which next crochet project you want to learn. One is this one. This is the booty for baby, you can see. Okay, and the other one is this, the table mat. This is the square table mat like this. So now just friend, comment me in the description box below and just tell me which my next project you want to learn. So I'm going to explain that in my next video. Is you want to learn this booty or this mat, square table mat? Okay, thank you very much friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Aeshi Hastkala. Thank you very much friends. Thanks a lot.